Hello, Khôi.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
That's great. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Today we are having a speaking test and we will talk about insect and sea animals. Now, what sea animal is it?
It's a shark.
What can you say about the shark?
Shark have teeth and two
And fin.
and feet.
That's very good. What sea animal is it?
It's a saltfish. Saltfish have 5 arms.
That's great. What sea animal is it?
It's a crab. Crab have 8 legs and 2 arms.
That's great.
It's a dolphin. Dolphin have 9 mouth and feet.
That's very good.
It's an octopus. Octopus
Now
have
please, otter.
a turtle. Turtle have 4 legs and big shell.
That's great.
An octopus. An octopus have 8 legs.
That's very good job. Now let's talk about insect. What insect is it?
It's a butterfly. Butterfly have 6 legs and 5 wings.
Okay, good. Let's go here.
It's a spider. Spider have 8 legs.
What
And
can you...
claw.
That's very good job.
It can claw. It's an ant. An ant have 6 legs and claw. And it can claw.
That's very good job.
It's a big. A big have 6 legs and 2 wings and fly.
Okay, good.
It's a mosquito. Mosquito have 6 legs and 2 wings and fly.
Okay, good.
It's a fly. Fly have 6 legs and 2 wings and fly.
That's very good. Now can you read the chant big and small?
Big and small. Big and small. What is big and what is small? Elephant is big, the ant is small.
Short.
Short and tall. What is short and what is tall?
I am.
I am short, but the tree is tall.
That's very good job. Now, which animal is big?
Elephant is big. An ant is small.
That's good. Let's go here. The bee.
A bee have 6.
The bee is.
The bee have small. A shark is big.
That's great. Now let's look at here. Short and tall. The horse.
A hawk have
The horse is.
tall.
The crab is.
Crab have short.
Is short. Good job. Now let's go here.
It's a giraffe. Giraffe have
The giraffe is.
tall.
Okay.
It's a turtle. Turtle
Is.
is short.
That's very good. Now can you sing the song In the Windy Spider? Let's go.
It's when the spider up, spider up. I in the spider up. I in the sunshine on the rain. When the spider, but the spider in.
That's very good. 5. Yes. Thank